For headaches, there are many points in the body. But maybe what I could do now is just to show you 3 points that probably are the most commonly used in acupressure and in acupuncture. And they are what we call 合谷, 内关, and 足三里. Right? 合谷 is very easy to locate. There's a line here in your thumb. You press it against the web here, so that it's touching on this margin. Then you bend your thumb down, and where your thumb ends is 合谷, and just press. You do it now. You can feel there's some effect, right? Right. And you can, if you want, you can press it, rotate it a little bit, press hard, then let go, press hard, and then go. It's hard to maintain the pressure, so you can loosen up and press again, loosen up again. If you can do that for 10 minutes, it should have some good effect on you. Usually, 合谷 is used on problems that are in the face and the head, because the TCM believes there is a connection between this acupuncture point and the facial head region. So for headaches or dizziness, pressing the 合谷 can help. In fact, if you are attending a seminar and it's very boring, or you're attending a lecture and you want to fall asleep, pressing on your 合谷 may help you to stay awake, because it stimulates the facial and head region. The other acupoint that is used quite a lot is called the 内关. To locate the 内关, you look at this line, which is the dividing line between your hand and your wrist, okay? And you take 3 fingers, the 3 middle fingers, place it against this line, right? And where the index finger ends, you locate, there are 2 tendons right here. Can you feel? There are 2 tendons here. In between the 2 tendons is your 内关, right? And press on it. You'll find it can be quite painful if you press hard. Right? Now, 内关 is good for dealing with nausea and for dealing with cardiovascular problems. And it's good for cardiovascular health. The third point which is used a great deal of is called the 足三里. 足三里 is located in the calf. First, you have to locate 2 indentations here. Where you can feel there are actually 2 shareway here. And from the middle of this indentation, take 4 fingers. The correct way to do it is actually to use the patient's hand. You can feel there's a shin bone here. Take about 1 finger width away from the shin bone. And that is where the 足三里 is located. So you press on that. You should be able to feel there's a dull aching pain when you do that. And that's the 足三里. Right? In fact, it lies on what we call the stomach meridian, the 胃经, the stomach meridian. It's very good for moving qi, and it's also a very good qi tonic for your spleen and stomach. So many of your digestive problems can be helped by regularly massaging your 足三里. For 足三里, a wooden stick may be helpful, because to exert enough pressure, you may need a stick to press on it. And it has been said that if you press your 足三里 every day for a few minutes, it's better than eating black chicken. It's also cheaper.